Look, like this one. 0600 hours, weather today is clear, rain in the evening, Heil Hitler.
Oh, that's it. Exactly. They send a weather report every day.
Well, hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and join us on the journey to explore exciting career opportunities. Today, we are diving into a field that's becoming crucial in our data-driven world. And let me explain this to you. Imagine you have a huge library filled with all sorts of books, from novels and magazines to encyclopedias and comic books. Now, if you just dumped all these books in a pile, finding what you want would be really tough, right? It will take a lot of time for you to find that one book you're looking for. Now imagine every day you get hundreds of new books and all of them are dumped on this pile. How would you sort what you need? Today's world is becoming exactly like this in terms of data, with individuals like us and companies generating vast amounts of data every day. The need to store, manage, and analyze this data efficiently is more important than ever. And there is very specific career to help you with this, called data warehouse engineer. Now don't get scared with big words, it's just in a simple terms called data engineer. Now remember our library and books pile example? A data engineer is someone who organizes this library but does it for data instead of books. So just like a librarian decides on the sections for different genres, organizes the books so they are easy to find, and keeps track of which books are borrowed most often, a data engineer organizes data. They take in huge amounts of information that companies collect, like sales records, customer information, business reports, and organize into a digital warehouse. This makes sure that when someone from the company needs specific information, they can find it quickly and easily. Now, the job is super important because today businesses make big decisions based on analyzing this data. For example, a company might look at past sales data to decide which products to promote more, or they might use customer data to figure out who might be interested in a new product. The work of data warehouse engineer helps make all of this possible by ensuring that data is not only well organized but also secure and ready to be analyzed at any time, and has crazy demand, and it will rise insanely high in coming years. With a CAGR of staggering 22.5%, the industry is expanding rapidly. Now, this rate of growth shows a very healthy and swiftly expanding market, where technologies and services are being adopted at a fast pace. And there's also jobs everywhere in this career. Now, whether it's a leading tech company like Google, or a financial company or retail giant, the demand for skilled data engineers spans nearly every industry. Now, these professionals are crucial for leveraging data to drive strategic decisions and innovations. So the field not only offers diverse opportunities, but also the chance to impact major sectors and their operations significantly. So, if you are someone who loves computers, is good at solving puzzles, and likes the idea of helping businesses make smart decisions by using data, then career as data warehouse engineer could be really exciting and rewarding. And even if you don't do these things and are interested in a new age career, or you can absolutely learn this actually. Or if you are a parent watching this video will give you all the answers on how to prepare for this career. Now, as we continue to move deeper into digital age, the role of a data engineer becomes increasingly critical. And it is a very good career option today and even 10 years from now. And the salary is also very good. Now, compensation varies widely depending upon experience, location, and specific industry. But in general, entry-level data engineers can expect to start around $70,000 USD annually. With experience, this can rise up to $95,000 and about $120,000 per year. Senior roles for these will specialize skills in big data technologies or cloud platform can get anything about $150,000 US dollars annually. Now, in India, in Indian terms, an entry-level data engineer might earn anything between 4 lakhs to 6 lakhs annually. Mid-level engineers typically is between 7 lakhs to 12 lakhs per year, which is very good. While experienced engineers can earn upwards of 15 lakhs to 25 lakhs per annum, which is amazing. Again, depending upon the expertise and complexity of the projects they manage. But if you can build the right skill set, you can do very well in this career. And talking about skill sets, here are some skills you must have to be successful in this career. First one is SQL and database knowledge. Now, proficiency in SQL is fundamental for any data engineer. Understanding how relational databases work and being able to create, manipulate, and retrieve data efficiently is very crucial. Next is ETL, which is called extract, transform, and load. expertise. Now, skills in ETL processes are vital. Now, this involves extracting data from various sources, transforming it into a format suitable for analysis, and loading it into data warehouse. Familiarity with ETL tools like Informatica, Talent, or Microsoft SSIS is highly beneficial. Next skill, data modeling. Now, ability to design data models that effectively represent the data and support business processes. This includes understanding normalization, dimensional modeling like star and snowflake schemas, and OLAP, which is online analytical processing techniques. Next skill is analytical and problem solving skills. Now, being able to analyze data to identify patterns, troubleshoot issues, and solve complex problems is really very essential. And then comes knowledge of business intelligence called BI tools. So, experience with BI tools such as Tableau, Power BI, or Looker helps in creating dashboards and reports that turn raw data into actionable business insights. Now, next skill you need is programming skills. While not always mandatory, having programming skills in languages like Python or Java can be a huge plus, especially for automating data processes and integrating systems. Now, as we are moving towards the digital age, programming is really important. Now, next is understanding of data warehouse architectures. Now, knowledge of data warehouse architectures such as data lakes, data marts, and operational data stores is important to efficiently structure and access large volumes of data. Another one, communication skills. Yes, data warehouse engineers must be able to communicate technical information clearly and efficiently to non-technical stakeholders. This includes writing clear documentation, making compelling presentation, and explaining the benefits and limitation of data warehouse to business leaders. So make sure to work on communication skills. Next up is project management. Now, often data engineers will need to manage projects, coordinate with different teams, and ensure that deliverables met timelines in the business requirements. So skill in project management can be very advantageous. So make sure to work on this. Next one is adaptability and continuous learning. It's very important in any learning field because especially with the field of data, and big data evolves rapidly with new technologies emerging constantly. So being adaptable and committed to continuous learning and development is essential to stay current and effective in this role. Now understand, these are many skills and you might need time to build these. So focus on just 2-3 skills initially and slowly expand your skill set. I have attached some online programs for your reference in the pinned comment below in this video. So make sure to check those out to build your skills. Okay, now let's answer the big question, how to pursue this journey to become a data engineer. Okay, let's break down the journey to becoming a data warehouse engineer into manageable steps for high school students, college students, and working professionals also. Let's start with high school. So if you're a high school student or a parent of a high school student, focus on relevant subjects. Now, what are those subjects? Start by taking as many math and computer science classes as you can. Now, these subjects will help you develop a solid foundation in analytical thinking and problem solving, which is a very important skill for this career. Next is to explore coding. Learn basic programming through online platforms like Coursera, Code Academy, or Khan Academy. Now, Python and SQL are particularly useful languages in data warehousing, so work on that. Next is to participate in tech clubs or competition. So join a coding club, participate in hackathons, or get involved in science fairs to apply your skills in real-world scenarios. Plan your college major. Now, aim for a degree in computer science, information technology, or data science. Now, these will provide the technical background needed for a career in data warehousing for you. Okay, next up is for college students. Now, you must deepen technical skills in college. Take courses that cover databases, data structures, algorithms, and statistics. Make sure to include classes that focus on big data technologies. Now, apply for internships in data-related roles. Experience with tech companies or in IT department can provide practical experience and a chance to work with data systems. Also consider earning certification that can bolster your resume. Now, good options include Microsoft Certified Data Analyst Associate, AWS Certified Data Analyst, Specialty, Google Cloud Professional, Data Engineer. Look at the recommended online courses in the pinned comment for these. Next is to make sure to build a portfolio of projects that showcase your ability to handle, model, and analyze data. So use platforms like GitHub to document these projects, which can be crucial for job interviews later on. Okay, now let's look for working professionals. Now, if you're coming from a different tech background, identify any gaps in your knowledge. SQL, data modeling, and ETL processes are must-haves. So enroll in online courses to quickly upskill. Platforms again like Coursera offer courses in data warehousing and ETL techniques. If you have already some data experience, obtaining advanced certification can help make the transition smoother. Now, here are some of my suggestions. IBM Data Engineering Professional Certificate, Certified Data Management Professional. Next up, make sure to leverage professional networks like LinkedIn or industry conferences to connect with other data professionals. Networking can open up job opportunities and provide insights into transitioning into a data warehousing role. Also, apply your skills in your current job. What do I mean by that? Well, try to take on data related projects at your current job or volunteer to assist with data tasks. Now, this hands on experience is very valuable for your long term growth. One thing you must do, irrespective of which level you are, practice problem solving. Yes. Regularly challenge yourself with new problems to solve, whether through online platforms or real world data issues. Now, by following these roadmaps, whether you are a high school student, college student, or a working professional, you can navigate your way toward a successful career as a data warehouse engineer or data engineer. Okay, so this is it for today. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like, give it a follow, and subscribe to my channel. And also make sure to share it with somebody who's looking forward for their career decisions. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, the world of data is vast and full of opportunities. And so it is for you. I'm here to help you navigate this beautiful journey. Take care.